Guys, so how familiar are y'all with the Toyota Camry 2020? Great vehicle. A couple things about it. It is a best-in-class 5-star crash safety rating, which is really good. It does have a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, along with a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It also has really good fuel economy, which would be at 33 miles per gallon total combined between city and highway. Let's take a look on the inside. So inside, a couple features I like about the car is going to be the navigation system, which is very cool. You can do your audio, any type of navigation. It does have the climate control for the front and the back, and it also has a integrated backup camera, which is something that you don't find on many cars. So y'all should come by to your local Toyota Katy dealership and ask for Hunter, and I'll get you taken care of. Thanks.